Hello friends, good evening, happy Mother's Day to all of you. Thank you Panvel Cycling Club for giving me this opportunity to speak something about me. Uh, yes, on this occasion, I would like to keep it short and would like to brief you about my cycling journey, how it began, how many expeditions I have undertaken, how many distance I have covered in past 3 years. I began cycling in the year 2016. Somewhere in October, I did purchase a cycle. But initial days, I was not cycling much. After getting the cycle, I was hardly doing 4 or 5 kilometers at the beginning stage. That was also quite difficult because for cross training, I did purchase this cycle. So my main focus during that time was walking, running, and trekking. So during weekends, I used to took out my bike for some short rides. But as time passed, I did started taking parts in some of the local events here in Pune. That boosted the confidence, then increased my distance around 15 to 20 kilometers. Slowly and gradually, I increased the distance. The first biggest expedition I have undertaken was Pune to Goa cycle race, which was on 1st of December 2017. During that time, we did Pune to Goa in 24 hours riding time. After returning from Goa, just after 2 days, we took another expedition. We went from Pune to Kanyakumari. We had planned for, around 9 days for this expedition. But the way we were proceeding, me and my two colleagues were also there, and we didn't went straight from Bangalore. Before Bangalore, there is a cross road at Hariyur. From there we went to Mysore, then Calicut, and from Calicut we took the coastal route and reached Kanyakumari in a record time of 7.5 days. So every day we were doing around 200 plus kilometers to target this distance. And after returning from Kanyakumari, several other expeditions were also undertaken. Also did Pune, Pandharpur, Pune two times. Then last to last year in December 2018, me and my colleague we did expedition from Jammu to Pune in 9 days. That was a total distance of 2,231 kilometers. So every day we were riding around 250 kilometers. And we didn't come straight from Pathankot, Haryana, and like that. From Pathankot, we went to Amritsar. From Amritsar, we take a tour from Punjab to Delhi. Then from there, we proceeded to Rajasthan. From Rajasthan to MP to Maharashtra. So that expedition was quite good to learn many of the things. And apart from that, several races also I have participated. From last year, I started participating in that. Did Pune Baramati cycling race, then some short sprint races organized by WSSM, and also did the Sayadri Classic Ultra Climbing Cycle Race by WSSM. And just 2 3 months ago, I have also participated in NEF Enduro, that is endurance testing. February this year, I did Ahmedabad Cyclothon. Also participated in the sprint race as well as the Masters ride. That was my first out of state cycle race ride. And many of the expeditions in pipeline are Golden Quadrilateral, then East to West, plus few many are there that are yet to be planned. So friends, what this journey has given me in my personal life, the basic activity what I started in September 2016. Actually, I was overweight. I was weighing around 125 kilograms, and within 3 years, I have been able to reduce 40 kgs. Yes, 40 kgs. But till date, I haven't done any of the diet, only exercise, which increase my stamina, which reduce my weight. And apart from this, I am daily commuting to office on cycle, and till date I have covered a total distance of 67,500 kilometers. My target for this year was around 80,000 kilometers, but as we see nowadays, the circumstances are not allowing us to go out for big rides. So hope so that I will be able to catch up in later time. Distance is not mandatory as such now. So friends, talking about the memorable ride and all that, I'll say that just 2 months ago when I did NEF Enduro's endurance test ride, during that time my cycle got around 6 times flat, and it was very difficult for me and my partner to cover up the entire race in the cutoff time also, but somehow we managed. And it was great to learn that we did finish the race 1 hour before the cutoff time. So many of the experiences are there which can be shared, but I won't think so that within this given time I would be able to complete this. But sure, I will share with you some of the achievements, glimpses of my rides, which will follow after this video. Anyway, once again, wish you all a happy Mother's Day. Ride safe once lockdown gets open. Maintain physical distance, maintain social distancing, practice good hygiene, and rest you all aware now what precautions are to be taken. So friends, good luck, all the best. Thank you very much.